Steve.
How are you, Frank?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
We're at CYCLEPATH WOODBRIDGE, and it's an exciting day. As Angie said, there's a sea of red, And so we got our jerseys today. Yes, I'll put it back. Angie and the team have been organizing sizes and who's paid and who's not, but we're here. So Steve, are you ready?
Yes.
We're ready. Together, go to grab a sleeve. We present to you the new jerseys for the Veneto Cycling Club. There they are. Looking good. Can't wait to see these on our riders.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Woo. Fantastic.
Very nice.
We're going to try one on.
Okay.
Steve.
Look at this.
And voila, the Veneto Cycling Club New Jerseys 2013. Beautiful work from the Woodbridge location of CYCLEPATH. Thank you, Ange. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, team here. They look good.
Look at this. Beautiful.
And they fit great. So, 2013 series, here we go.